Pages like this don't happen too often where I just create for myself. Well, you know that I always create for myself, but also for you, where I chat, where I explain everything, when I talk about my steps, my ideas, where I explain the products that I'm using, and all these jazz and all the chats that we have. And this page is different. It was 1 a.m. just shortly before we were heading off to Poland. I think it was either night before or 2 nights before. And I just wanted to create something simple, something that will relax me, something just for myself that afterwards I can share with you. I needed me time, big time, without talking to anyone. It was quiet in the house as well. No one was behind me, no one was with me. Probably Evie was with me, yes, but that's about it. And I could just switch off, and I needed that because going away for a month to Poland, as every year, you know, we're going to see our parents, we're going away, but we also work there. So it's a mixture of work and holiday, a mixture where we visit everyone, where we go places, where do stuff like we have to do certain, important things like dentists or doctors or some documentations. Like there's always so much going on because we go in there once a year. So we have a lot to be done before we go, and then a lot while we are there. So this page, this little relaxing moment was me time where I could just enjoy the new product. And this time I'm using the beautiful Fumui Watercolors. There is a video just shortly before this one where I showed you those paints, where I tested them, and I was so pleased with it. You should check it out because they are absolutely fabulous, beautiful paints. Have a look at them. Absolutely stunning palette, perfect palette for MAREMI'S books. As you can tell, the beautiful background was so easy, nothing complicated. I was just playing with the colors because I wanted to try it out, how those paints work, and they are just phenomenal. This book is last year summer book because back then when I was recording this video, I did not have the newest summer tales yet. Believe it or not, I have it right now when I'm recording this voiceover a month later, but I didn't use it yet. So hopefully I'm gonna get back to my studio maybe this week and record something and use the summer tales. I remember last year was the same. I got my book so late that it was just like not enough time to make summer pages. I think I used it only once, I think. And I'm glad to be back to it a year later, because it's absolutely okay to use your stash from last year, 2 years ago. And these books are fantastic because you can mix and match them. However, this year it's all about seaside. It's about some older people and walks and backpacks and nature. It's a very different book this year than last year. So you should check it out. But certainly different things, backgrounds and elements you can absolutely mix and match with each other. Now you can see that I have been using some stamping, also some embossing, because I really wanted to emboss the beautiful background. And you can tell that this beautiful shimmery shine embossing powder will be just wonderful for this beachy vibe feel page. This girl is so beautiful, although I know she's very sad, and I think I used to make more sad faces in the books. Now these days there's more happy and smiley book people, because you have been asking for it. But I do have to say there's something magical about it, and I absolutely love this kind of magical vibe to this girl, how she looks, how she look at us, and there's some mystery and some story behind those eyes for sure. I encourage you to create some beautiful pages, simple as this one. Tiny background, beautiful focal point like this girl, some elements on the background to make it more interesting, some splashes, and you're really done. You don't always have to go for all these extraordinary techniques and ideas to make this project takes you forever. No, grab a small book, grab a small page, or maybe a card, just few elements, 2-3 steps. Really look at it, it's 2-3 steps, and it's a basic one. It's the process that everyone can follow. I hope you will try it for yourself. My beautiful friends, I'm gonna finish here. I love you, but I have to go. Till the next time, happy crafting, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye for now. Bye bye.